Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to fix a Facebook app not working in iPhone. So guys, if you're using iPhone and when you have update your iPhone to latest iOS version, and guys, after updating to latest iOS version your app is not working properly or your app is not working, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to open your settings. So guys, after this you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and if you're using mobile data you need to make sure that you have selected 4G or 5G. And guys, after doing this you have to scroll it down, click on general, click on VPN and device management, and make sure that if you have connected any VPN you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this you need to go back, click on transfer and reset iPhone, and guys, you need to reset your network settings. Maybe there is problem on your network settings, and after doing this you have to go back, click on date and time, make sure that you have selected date and time on automatically. And guys, after doing this you have to go back. So guys, now you have to open your app store on your iPhone, and here you need to search Facebook. So guys, after searching your Facebook you have to open your Facebook, and guys, you need to update your app if not updated. And guys, after doing update your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fixed your problem, the last method is you have to open your settings again, general, iPhone storage, and from here you need to find Facebook. So guys, as you can see here, simply you have to scroll it below, find here Facebook app. And guys, after finding it you need to open your and offload your app, and after doing offload you need to reinstall again. And guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.